These are Cuisenaire rods. We can use them in a variety of ways to work with in mathematics. One thing that we can do with them is to use them to represent a fraction, a decimal, and a percentage. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a shape that I've created here already on some centimeter grid paper, and there are 20 sections in here. So when I'm thinking about a fraction, I'm going to be thinking about out of 20 or 20ths. So I'm going to put some rods on, and I have 3 different colors here. And now what I can do is I can figure out the fraction, the decimal, and the percentage for each of the colors of rods. Let's take a look at the purple rod. Now I know that the purple has a value of 4 in relation to the 20, and I can check that 1, 2, 3, 4. So the purple one I can represent as 4/20ths. Or I can also think about it as 2/10ths when I'm thinking about an equivalent fraction. Now that I'm thinking about tenths, now I have represented this purple rod as 2/10ths. And when it comes to percentage, this is 20% of the entire space. Let's think about the green rods. So when I take a look at the green rods, again, I am thinking about 20ths, and I see that each green rod fills 3 spaces. So 3 and 3 is 6. So when I'm thinking about the green, I am thinking about 6/20ths, or that would be equivalent to 3/10ths. Now, because I've got it out of tenths, I can represent it as a decimal. We also say 3/10ths, and I can represent it as a percentage, which is 30%. And here's one way in which we can use Cuisenaire rods to represent a fraction, a decimal, and a percentage.